Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the answer to this question, that is, how is YouTube TV picture quality? So YouTube TV generally offers good picture quality, streaming in 1080p HD by default, making it comparable to cable TV quality. However, the actual picture quality can vary depending on your internet speed, device capability, and the specific content being watched, with some users reporting occasional issues with lower resolution streams, particularly on mobile devices. Now, here are some of the key points about YouTube TV picture quality that you need to understand. So, first of all, the standard resolution is 1080p. So, most of the content on YouTube TV streams at 1080p, that is the HD quality, although you are going to get the 4K option. So a 4K option is the add-on that is available for select the live sports and on-demand programming, allowing for ultra HD viewing. Now, to get the best picture quality, YouTube TV recommends a stable internet connection with at least 25 Mbps of the optimal 4K streaming, and the quality can be affected by the capabilities of your viewing device. So, these were some of the points about the YouTube TV picture quality. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.